I'm Diana Target with the CrescentLink team at Geograph Technologies. Welcome to the How to Be More Productive and Efficient with Specialized Tools and CrescentLink workshop. Today, we're going to go over a few of the tools that may get overlooked in day-to-day network management. Most of what you'll see today can be achieved a feature at a time through the Network Manager and connector tools. However, the CrescentLink toolbar drop-down menu has some tools that are specifically designed to improve efficiency through the batch processes. Some of the tools require the use of CrescentLink templates and populated attribute fields. Those can be covered in a different workshop, or you can view them as a tutorial in our library on our support portal. The tools I'll be covering today are the Add Equipment, the Count Backport, the Copy Counts, and the Fiber Count Assignment tool. Some of the benefits of our batch tools, of course, they save time because you can do multiple points or features at the same time. Reduces errors and better organization because you can utilize domains and values to limit the information that can be input into the attributes. The Add Equipment tool. This tool relies on equipment templates created through the Network Manager. The templates can be applied to all selected splice points in one step, eliminating the need to visit each individual point with the Network Manager. The Add Equipment tool provides detail on each piece of equipment that may already exist in a specific point and allows the refinement of the selected points either individually or by mass deselecting all points that already exist at the specific splice point. In this demonstration, I'm going to select a group of houses here. These are structures that I want to add some equipment to. Some of them may or may not have equipment added. Let me just get those cables out of the way. So I only want the structures. I know that I have some pedestals in there selected. So if I double click on my subtype, I can select those PEDs and get rid of those. Just right click and select highlighted. So all I have left are these structures or the customer sites. From the CrescentLink drop-down menu, I'm going to select the Add Equipment button. In this window that pops up, I have some black and red entries. These red ones, these tell me that equipment already exists. It tells me the black ones that don't have any equipment. So if I right click on one of the red ones and select remove, I have the option to select all the ones with equipment. So I'm going to do that. And now we're left with just these splice points without equipment. In the bottom left panel, I'm going to right click and I'm going to select a ONT. On the right side, I can see the attributes that I've pre-populated for this template. And then you just select Create. Now you'll see that each of these splice points have turned red, indicating that this was successfully populated with equipment. The next tool I'm going to cover is the Count Backport tool. This tool automates the function of populating counts within Network Manager after loading or appending features to the SDM cable layer. If the count disk field on the cable layer has data in the proper format, the tool translates it into the XML format used in CrescentLink connectivity. It's important to understand that this function will override existing count data. In my demonstration, I'm going to have a layer of proposed features created in the feature class with the matching schema to make the import easier. I've imported these proposed layers and I've field calced their data over to my count disk field in the SDM cable layer, my fiber cable layer. This is the field that we're talking about. As long as it's populated within the appropriate format, we'll be able to push that into the Network Manager. If you were to use the Network Manager to individually update each cable, we'd look in the CrescentLink Network Manager panel, and we see that there are no counts available. I'm going to select the Count Backport tool. A warning pops up. Only the selected cables are going to be updated. I'm going to select my cable again, and now I can see that CrescentLink can now read that there is connectivity. This little guy I did not select. I can see that he does have a count. I can run my tool again. And just like that, it's updated. In this demonstration of the Copy Counts tool, I'm going to select the tool from the CrescentLink drop-down menu. And you can see how the cursor has changed. That is the Copy Counts cursor. So I'm going to select the cable that has the counts that I want to copy, and it turns pink. And the mouse has changed to a PC. So we're going to paste the counts to this next cable. And this one already has counts on it. Do I want to overwrite? I'm going to just select yes, and it turns orange. So I know that the counts have been copied to that one. And with the mouse still in the paste mode, I can just continue. And it will continue as long as I need it to. When I'm finished with the paste, I will right-click anywhere in the white space, and it reverts back to the copy counts. And that is our copy counts tool. Next, I'm going to give a demonstration on the fiber count assignment tool. It's very similar to the copy counts tool, but it goes a little further by, instead of copying counts from one to another, it's going to create counts based on connectivity. This requires cables to previously be connected. For example, I know that these cables are connected, but they don't have any counts associated with them. So from the CrescentLink toolbar, I will select the fiber count assignment. I'm going to select a point to start with. This is going to be either the point before or after the cable that already has counts on it. This one, for example, with the copy counts, we had placed a count on it. So I'm going to select the cable in the direction of that I want to push the counts. I have the option of entering a count, but this one already has it. If I hit evaluate button, this is going to show all the cables that are connected. And so I'm going to commit. Some of them already have counts. That is okay. This will overwrite all the ones that are highlighted orange. So if you have counts that you want to preserve, you should probably pull out and go take a look at those, or find out how they're connected. If I hit yes, I'm going to overwrite those counts. It's quick, it's easy. And now if I use the network manager, I can see that it now has populated counts on it. Here we can run a trace. So these were already connected with fiber 12. And if I see that drop, it has fiber 12 on it. And that is our fiber count assignment tool. This will work for any size network. It just depends on whether connectivity has already been established. Tutorials for all of our tools can be found in the library link posted in our support portal. CrescentLink tools are designed to fit the needs of our users. Sometimes those needs change or grow, so we provided our users with several outlets to reach out to our team to let us know how we can make our tools work better for you. Some of the ideas that have been submitted to the community forum, for example, have been incorporated either as new tools, as adaptations of existing tools, and you'll see some of those adaptations in the next release of CrescentLink version 6. So thank you for attending the How to Be More Productive and Efficient with Specialized Tools in CrescentLink workshop. I encourage you all to check out the library to see all the tutorials that we have available. Some are CrescentLink specific and some are for new users to GIS to help you get started.